Welcome to Weekly Spanish Review. This is from Mr. Jones's Spanish 2 classes from March 8th to March 12th. This week we started our new unit on travel. We're going to learn some phrases that we would use at the airport, some different types of transportation. We're going to learn these new verbs to be able to speak and talk about how we travel. And then also the good thing is we'll see some cognates, words that are very similar in English and Spanish in this unit. So starting off at the airport, we've learned new words. La hora de salida, departure time. El número de vuelo, the flight number. Remember in Spanish we switch it around a little bit. So the number of the flight. Same thing when we're talking about seat number. We've learned that one. El número de asiento. The counter, el mostrador. We've learned boleto before, which means ticket. We've also seen this one, the electronic ticket or the e-ticket. El boleto electrónico. And then finally the word for gate is la puerta de salida. We're going to see some words that deal with transportation, like el taxi. And the person that drives it, the taxi driver, is taxista. The plane, el avión. Two ways to say car, coche, which is said in Spain. And then carro in Latin America. Another cognate we've got is el bus. And then part of the car, the maletera or baúl, is the trunk. Our new verbs, mostrar, to show. Like when we show our passport. Esperar, to wait. Traer, to bring. Salir, we've seen that one before, that means to leave, to go. Hacer, to do or to make. Poner, to put or to place. And then finally looking over here, we've got cognates. Pasaporte, agente, control de seguridad. So you did some translations. I'll go over some new sentences so you can kind of see some examples of stuff we'll be looking at for this unit. So remember, poner means to put or to place. So this first one, yo pongo las maletas. I put the suitcases in the car because I'm going to take a trip. Yo pongo las maletas en el carro porque voy a hacer un viaje. The second sentence we're talking about departure time. So we got to go back to Spanish 1 when we learned about time. La hora de salida es a las 5 de la tarde. In our translations the other day we saw this example when the taxi driver helped you with the suitcases. El taxista me ayuda con las maletas. Then finally, I need my passport or a form of ID. Necesito mi pasaporte or una forma de identidad.